Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Body, and today I'm here with another video of our data structure series, and today we will do a code on stack using an array. So yeah, here is the output, preview of this code, and now let me just backspace and then I will start with our header files and namespace. Okay, so we are using C++, so that's why we're using iostream, and it is used for input output operations like cout, and then we will be writing using namespace std. Now this allows using cout cin without writing std, and then we will define stack size, and here we took 4. Here max defines the maximum size of the stack, and here the stack can store 5 elements only. Okay, so after that we will use the integer stack. Now here the stack max, this means array used to store stack elements, and then we will use the top. Now here top keeps track of the index of the top element. Yes, and then here the top equals to -1, that means the stack is empty. Okay, so after that we are using the push operation. Here let me do the code at first and then explain. So void push. Now here the things we are doing, we are using void, and then we will use if else. Now here the purpose of this is that it adds an element to the top of the stack, and then we will see the if we have top equals to max -1. Now this checks if stack is full, and if full then the stack will overflow, otherwise it will increase to top and will insert a value. Okay, so after doing this we will use the pop operation. So I will just copy and paste it. So here is done. It's being done now. So here we are using pop. Now this removes the top element, and top equals to max -1 means this checks if the stack is empty, and if empty then the stack will underflow, otherwise it will print top element and decrease top. Okay, so after that we have peak operation. Sorry, let me just take the hashtag and then make them comment. Okay, I forgot actually, because I was practicing Python nowadays, so that's why I'm sorry. So yeah, it's done now. So now we will use pick here. Now this shows the top elements without removing this. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Let me just use the conditions here. Yeah, here it is. Let me just edit this. Stack underflow. Now I will change it to stack is empty. Then I will use our output. Let me again copy and paste this for our display operation. Let me just edit this a bit. So display operation here written. Let me change that here also. Let me just edit these lines. So I write stack elements. So right, that's it. Place all stack elements from top to bottom. Okay. Then let me just use the for loop here. So now we'll go to our main function. Now here we will write some execution flows like push 10, 20, 30. The stack becomes 10, 20, 30. I mean 30, 20, 10. And then it will display our output, I mean stack elements, and then we will go to pop. Okay, so in output we will see that 30 popped from stack, and the stack will become 10, 20, and then peak. So top element will be 20, and it will display 10, 20, and the final output after that we will see. So display. Now I'll return 0, and then I will just use the semicolon. C++ is a case sensitive issue. So now let me just run this. Maybe I made a mistake here. Let me just use this. Oh, okay, so I haven't used the semicolon there. I'm just sorry, I mean the terminating character. Okay, so we are here. Sorry, not that. Now let's run it again. So yeah, here is our output. Yes, so that's all for today. If you guys find my videos useful, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in our next video. Allah Hafiz.